One from the faculty or from the teachers? May I call in Mr. Joey G. Montaray?
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
From the parents, we have Mr. Gabriel Emelito R. Pahe.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
We have also two PROs for the PTA officers, one from the faculty or teacher. We have Miss Cecil A. Caliguran.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
And from the parents, we have Mr. Canuto G. Ramizo.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
Auditor, we have Mr. Conrado R. Bustos.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
Our treasurer, we have Mrs. Helen P. Noynay.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
Secretary, we have Mrs. Anna B. Gabat.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
Vice President, Mr. Roderick V. Benzon.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
And our PTA President, we have Mr. Omar A. Bernardo.
Yes, sir. Ready, go. Yes.
For the PTA officers, we had the election last Friday. And before we start, I just want to say thank you so much for these parents who really came and accepted the position of being officers of the PTA. And we are really expecting a lot from them because the